Ladies, if your skin is dull, uneven, or covering in dark spots, this powerful rice and turmeric face mask will change your skin faster. I am using it on my real face today. Watch it. Look at this face mask. Just look at it, ladies. If you want to glow your skin and fast dark spot remover, keep watching because this rice and turmeric glowing mask is very powerful. It's very easy to make, but it's very powerful. So you need to watch it to the end and see when I apply the result. You guys will see how this thing will brighten your skin at the first time when you just use this thing. So right now, my ladies, I wash my rice. I make some 5 to 6 tablespoons of the rice. I wash it and put inside. Now I cook it because I want to use some also for my hair mask. That's why I make it this quantity. You can make it less. So after cook your rice, just overcook it, make it overcook. So after you cook it, you need to blend it. After blend it, get some strainer to strain it very well because you don't have to let the rice particles to be part of it. So now after I finish straining it, the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to add my ingredients inside. This thing is very easy to make, but it's very powerful. So I don't joke with you because right now I can see the big changes of my face. I have dark spot on my face. I have a dark spot on my face, so now I can see everything is going. So my ladies, let's check and see the benefit of those ingredients. Okay, first I cook my rice. So after rice, I put 1 tablespoon of lemon. I add my honey also. I added 1 teaspoon of honey also inside because honey also is having benefits. So let's check and see the cooked rice. In a cooked rice paste, it's tighten your skin and brighten dull face. If you have those face and you are using rice, it's going to brighten it and make it more fresh. It's also making skin looking smooth. Not only the fresh, also it will look very smooth. Your skin will start looking very smooth. While honey also is hydrating deep, it's helping fading dark spot. If your face you have a dark spot or you have dark mark any place that you have a dark marks, you are using honey, is going to help it to fade it. It's also having extra soft. It will add extra soft into your skin and glow it again because that time your skin will come to be like a baby skin. Your skin is going to be very soft. So while you are using it, my next ingredient is turmeric. I'm adding half teaspoon turmeric inside. This half teaspoon turmeric is having long way to go. Even if you know that your face mask is not up to this amount, then don't put even half teaspoon inside. You can put 1/4 teaspoon inside your face mask, okay? Because turmeric is having long way to go. Turmeric it's also removing dark spot and fighting pigmentation and also giving natural golden glow. So while you are using turmeric, is very powerful. It will bright your skin, give you a golden color. Your skin will come to be golden color. You yourself, you are going to love it while you are using turmeric into or adding it into your things. While lemon, when I was doing, lemon also having vitamin C. We all know that, right? Vitamin C is brightening dark areas. If your areas of the dark area is going to bright it on only if your skin is not sensitive. Is it sensitive? Anyway, guys, if your skin you have a sensitive skin, don't apply it. You can just make small amount to make patches test and see whether it's okay for you, because but if you know that your skin is okay, there's not any problem, then you can use it. After that, what you have to do, you can get a bottle like or something like what I'm just pouring inside. Pour it inside and cover it and keep it inside the fridge. This thing can last up to even 5-6 days. Before, if you don't finish it, then you can throw away after that days. So the remaining one, now I'm going to use it to apply to my face for you guys to see. So the most important thing, after put everything inside, you have to mix it very well. Okay, mix it in a small bowl. Make sure you blend your rice, you strain your rice, everything. When everything is okay, you add everything, make it to be smoothed like a cream paste. It's very, very important. Okay, it's very important for you to make it get very smooth. When I say the honey also, you can add 1 tablespoon or teaspoon or half teaspoon inside. It depends of the quantity that you are going to make your face mask. Okay, it's very, very important. Now you can see amount that I have. So now, guys, I'm going to take you guys, it's not going to end there, because this thing, you see this one remaining, and I and you, we all know that this amount even is too much for me to use in my face. Not only my face that you can use this mask, you can use it for the whole your body. First of all, what you need to do before you apply the face mask, any face mask that you are going to do, always make sure for your skin, for your face to be clean. So I wash my face thoroughly and I wipe it with a tissue, with a water, or you can use cotton to just damp your face, remove the water, and apply your face mask. After applying your face mask, at least sit up to 15 to 20 minutes. But what do you have to do? You can take your dress off, where the places that you have a dark spot, you can apply everything. Now we have to wait for that minute and I will be right back. But before that, let me tell you people, as I said, always try your dark spot area. If your armpits is dark, your legs is dark, wherever that is dark, just go inside the bathroom when it's above like 5-10 minutes for you to bath. You use it and bright all your body before you go inside and bath. So right now, after I finish everything, guys, you can see how my face right now. I'm here now. Look, guys, what is funny, and I'm laughing, my daughter is making fun of me. I put the camera inside the ring lights, but I didn't on the ring lights. I just put the camera there and started talking. I forgot that I didn't on the lights. The child come and on the lights for me and say, she just say some things and point the lights and on the lights for me. That's why I was laughing. Anyway, so now after this pampering, massaging my face, guys, this my carrot butter, I'm selling it, so you can patronize me if you want to get your own family carrot butter and glowing skin butter. Just get in touch with me. Okay, you can get in touch with me, you can DM me so that we can talk about wherever that you are, we can do it. And I have my carrot oil. So after that, I'm using, these are the two things that people are using. They will use so many things, polishing, what, spray, what, face, what. I'm just, after that, I'm using my basic things. So this one I'm using, this channel, I told you guys, is natural things. Okay, so everything I'm doing myself by my natural ways, glowing skin things. So stay tuned with me so that we all work our dark spot, work it together, and also work out with our hair and our children hair, grow it together. This channel is all about those things. So before you subscribe, you know what I'm doing in this channel. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Please don't forget, if you watch it up to this point, comment and like and share for me. Say yes, we will glue our skin together. Yes, we will grow our hair together. I love you guys. Bye.